Okay, so there might be some units right down there, I guess. Oh, they're all carriers. I think one of them's actually running. They're all, I can't even get into them because like they're all locked up in the gate. Obviously, one of them's actually running. Oh, here's a tiny one right there. Well, that one actually started up. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrier units. They're all they're all from 2007, I think. Saw one of the data sheets. Yeah, one of them started up right now. Closer look at them. They all have scroll compressors. Can't even get one of them fan blades. That one just shut off. Alright, so the other one started up, now this one just shut off. Let's go get it. Closer look at the other ones. These three have like, no, there's like 4 of them that has like fan motor hack jobs. One of them's not the fan motor replacement. They're out of fender, oh, these are at a bank. I'd have to make this quick, I think. But yeah, there's all the carriers right here. All from 2007. So yeah, peace.